I'm super excited because the whole bar is 80 centimeters long, so 40 should be the middle. And if we take it out, it's an octave lower. I decided I will make a video of how to make a monochord. This is the first time I will try to do it, and I was inspired by another video on YouTube. Here on the table I have, I hope, pretty much all the stuff and tools that I will need to make it. I have already started making clean and nice these wooden pieces. I was using this rotating sandpaper. I went to Hornbach and I bought this piece of metal, which, as you can see, has like a screw, this spiral, to make the perfect length of it that I will use, and the perfect length will be this long because I will try to put it on this wooden piece. So I will have to use a flex to cut the metal, this long metal screw. Then I bought 2 different sizes of these, and I will use these pieces to connect the string. And I bought a set of guitar strings. I was also recommended 1 single string, but actually the price of these was better. I will, in euros, the strings, 5 guitar strings cost like 5 euros, and they are probably pretty crappy, but I don't care much about it right now. All these metal pieces cost like 12 euros, and the wooden pieces I already had at home. So I also, as you can see, I have these hex pieces, and because I saw it in the tutorial, I also bought these hex pieces that look like butterflies, but I don't think I will really need it. Then I have four of these pieces and 8 of these that are called the telegraph nails. Yeah, I will also use a couple of nails that I have here from some old times. I will also use one of these. I bought both because I am not sure if this one is going to work as the, how to call it, the membrane or the dividing part of the core of the string. Well, I will need a saw to cut the wood, and I will need a drill to make holes for this one. Now I'm going to cut the board, and it's, as you can see, I hope, 8 centimeters. I'm going to cut this board, so that's why I'm measuring the height, which is 6.7 centimeters, and I'm going to make it about 15 centimeters long, and it will have a triangular shape. So this is the triangle, 6.7, 15, and I will need 4 of them. So now it looks like this. So the cuts are not very precise, but I will leave it as it is, I think. I drew places where I will put screws to put the two pieces of wood together on both sides. Now I'm going to use a 4mm drill. I found these screws that are long enough to go through the first piece of wood. And now I will nail it. So I will take a sledgehammer and I will nail it. Ciszeni. Because the triangle is not fitting this place, I will cut off a bit of the corner. No, so the board is about 14mm wide, so I will make this piece a little shorter, maybe 13.5mm or 13.8. So to make a mark on metal, I will probably need a marker. And I'm going to do it outside. Mission successful. I will go and make another one right away. Now my goal is to put this here, and I will try to fix it, fasten it using this tool. And I will try to drill some holes so that it goes easier. I will try to widen it up a little bit. I will use the shorter piece of these, and I will use a 2mm drill to prepare a hole for it. So the drill is a little smaller than this piece, and I hope that the circles will go into the wood and hold tightly. Now I will have to figure out how to fix the string to this metal piece, and think about how stretched the string shall be in the end. Perhaps there will be some space for adjustment, because of course the stretch will affect the pitch. The more stretched the string will be, the higher pitch we will get. So I just figured out that whenever I turn this, the string gets really shorter. So I will first have to screw this piece into the wood and then in some point put the string to this piece and then start stretching the string. So I made it about 5 turns and now I will put on the string. The question is whether to do it again because it's still not deep enough, because whenever I make a turn, the force of the string makes the metal piece go closer this way. So now I have a dilemma whether to change this, and I think I will use the bigger screw. Now the screw is just come out from the other side, so I think it's enough. And let's now try to fasten the string. Seems to be in the middle. I think the sound is pretty cool. And now I am going to make some measurements on the board. A pak to se dostáváme úplně někam jinam. So, I'm super excited because it actually, this metal part works the best like this. And here you can see that we are, the whole bar is 80 centimeters long, so 40 should be the middle. And that means that the string should be divided exactly in half, so the pitches should be the same. This is a little higher, so maybe we should make the string a little longer. So I will try to move it slightly to the left. Now it's closer. Pretty good. We can check it with the piano. So we still have the metal part in the middle. It's pretty much the same pitch, although this I think is still a little higher. So let's move it just a little to the... even better. And it's actually the pitch of about F. And if we take it out, it's an octave lower. I hope you enjoyed the whole video at least as much, or at least half as much as I did.